Are Venice Beach, summer 2015, on a Tuesday in June, last day of June. The lifeguards are making everybody get off the beach so it doesn't happen like last year where a kid got hit by lightning and killed in the ocean. Beach looks pretty empty. You see two people sitting over there. The lifeguard is telling them to leave so they don't get hit by lightning. There's the lifeguard. I'm gonna talk to this guy. Probably told him not to go in the water. Hey, what did the lifeguard say to you?
There's a pretty legit lightning storm coming in, and once it's moving to the back of the beach.
The back of the beach?
He didn't say off the beach, he said the back of the beach. So I guess his main idea is to get us away from the water. Struck by lightning. Because, like, they're not kicking people off the sand, I don't think.
Oh, okay. I don't see nobody in the ocean.
Yeah, ain't nobody. They cleared that out real quick.
Wow.
So.
It's probably what happened last year, that's why.
Yeah. They said lightning's already struck.
Oh, it has? Wow.
Doesn't look like much of a storm either.
Doesn't, does it?
Just passed real quick.
What did the lifeguard say to you guys?
He said that there's a lightning storm, but it doesn't look like there is.
It doesn't look like it to me. It looks like it's over with.
Yeah, really, the sky is like basically blue.
Yeah.
Maddie, take a picture of the sky over there. It's so pretty. I like the blues.
It is so pretty, oh my god.
Take a video of the sky.
It is not a lightning storm.
right, well, sorry about that, you guys. And, see people in the water, then you're good to go.
Because this is the first year they've ever done that.
No,
Last year there was a really bad accident.
No, I know that. I was here last year. I'm saying this is the first year they've ever cleared the beach.
Gotta take precautions, we get it.
Or
what's wrong?
lightning came and it killed some people.
Today?
We saw some light, no, last year.
Last year.
You did see lightning out there?
Good job, man.
I would prefer that lady stop video speaking.
This is going to inform people on the internet
You're
that
gonna have to talk to my agent though because
The
he has some serious
dangers.
rules about being videotaped for that.
We live like 3 blocks from here. We'll
Oh,
be
okay,
back.
then you guys are cool. All right.
We'll be back tomorrow. No problem.
When I wake up every morning, I know I will go